Welcome back. Welcome back to KutKonnect.com Video Email Basics, and we are now on section 4, which is the text body, and just going to save this, the progress from our last section, which was how to successfully embed a video and the type of video we should use. And we're using two tools. So KutKonnect.com, obviously, this is our omni-channel software. It integrates multiple elements like your website builder, email builder, social media manager. It also has a CRM to track clients and so many other amazing options. So if you're looking for something like that and you're interested in just finding out what I'm working with, you can check us out at and get access to the software at KutKonnect.com, KutKonnect.com. And also, we're also using ChatGPT, which is going to help us populate the text content in our video email. So we'll jump right in. We've already saved our progress. We're going to go ahead and save it again. In our email builder, we're using a template. We've already gone in and created an amazing subject line, which we've gone into settings and created here. And you can check that out in our previous video. The next thing we've done is embedded an engaging video. It's eye-catching, it's clear, something that they can click on and get a quick understanding of our product. It's got a hook, it's clear, it's concise, we've got a clear ask. We tell them exactly what steps they need to take to get our offer, and we also include some social proof. So that's great. The next thing we're going to do is include some text content, and what's important here is to include their name. So in the heading portion of the email, we're going to go in here and we're going to check out what would be an amazing and compelling heading. And so we've typed in a couple things. Super fun video time, get excited about amazing videos. Not necessarily what we're going to choose. We might go in with something a little shorter and a little more exciting. And I think what we chose was unlock your success, transformative video solutions. And let me see, what did we choose here? Okay, great. So we chose unlock your success, transformative video solutions. And so we're going to jump back to KutKonnect.com. I'm going to exit on this. This is where we got our video from. So let's go ahead and paste that. Instead of transformative video solutions, we're going to try transformative video emails. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and kill that. And we're going to use a smaller subheading. So let's see if we can use something else. We're going to use this one. We're going to use get excited about making amazing videos. So we're going to click that and we're going to delete that. And so we've got the heading for our body, which is awesome. Okay, and so we've got that. And now we just need some text to go here in the actual body of the video. And so let's see what we can come up with. So we're going to break this up into 3 parts. So we're going to copy this part of the paragraph, and of course we use this, we use ChatGPT to generate this content, and it was all based on a prompt: write a compelling short paragraph about the power of video sales emails to grow business sales. And so it gave us this paragraph here that we're going to break up into pieces now, and we're going to use this here. Let's see how much we want to choose. So we're going to use this right here. This looks like a complete thought. And we're going to go ahead and replace this here. Okay. And then we're just going to use the rest. And now we've got some engaging content for the body. Okay. And so whenever we're looking at engaging content for the body, we want to consider a couple things. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use their name. So instead of just hey there, we're going to insert something special. We're going to use their name. We could do that by inserting a custom value. So we're going to use the contact's first name. And so here we have, hi there, contact first name. And so what that's going to do, that's going to populate their name. And let's change this text to black, because as we can see here, that's not doing us any favors in terms of color. So we're just going to go in here and we're going to put all zeros for this. And that'll give us our black here. Oops. Or we could just choose here. There you go. And that's going to be our content. Oops. It's supposed to. There you go. That's better. Okay. And do that again. And do it again. Oops. There you go. Oops. Alright, perfect. And let me change that font back a little bit to 12. Oops, it's too small. Let's try 14. Let's try here 14, even though it was 16, and that one's 14 too. So all the font matches, and we're going to save that. Okay, excellent. And so the dash of creativity. So hey there, we're going to use their name, which is critical. We want to make it simple, direct, and to the point. Okay, not too much to read. You know, again, if we're not great at writing compelling copy, we can always go to ChatGPT, get the AI to generate something. And it may not be something we use exactly, but it gives us something to work with that's substantial, right? And is engaging. At least it gives us a starting point to choose from. Also, it generates some really cool emojis, which I think are great. And also eye-catching, allows us to get the reader's attention, which is the most important thing. All right, so we've gotten the body text squared away. So judging from, or rather recapping, we want to remember to save this, but recapping what we've done so far. One, we figured out our subject line, and we've set up our from as in name, from as in our reply email, who we want them to reply to, the preview text, our email subject line, which is the whole point of getting them to open it, is an engaging subject line. We set up our logo. We have our reply email. We put in our engaging video with our amazing hook. Tells exactly what we are about in terms of our offer and who we are and what we want them to do. And then, of course, we've gotten the body piece. So the next thing we're going to touch on in the next piece is the button and the button workflow. See you there.